Kitchens are the heart of the home, but not all design trends age well. Some ideas that were popular just a few years ago now feel outdated, bulky, or impractical. Renovating your kitchen isn't just about replacing cabinets or countertops. It's about creating a space that feels modern, functional, and visually cohesive. In 2026, avoiding these outdated trends can instantly make your kitchen feel fresher, smarter, and more luxurious. Overly dark cabinets without contrast. Dark cabinets were once seen as elegant, but in today's kitchens, they can make spaces feel heavy and closed in. When paired with matching dark countertops and minimal lighting, kitchens risk feeling cramped and outdated. Modern design favors contrast, mixing lighter countertops, open shelving, or glass inserts with darker cabinetry keeps the kitchen sophisticated without sacrificing brightness. Excessive open shelving. Open shelving used to be trendy, but too much of it can look cluttered and hard to maintain. Kitchens with endless shelves quickly accumulate dust, mismatched items, and visual chaos. The smarter approach is a balance between closed cabinetry for storage and a few curated open shelves for display. This keeps kitchens functional, clean, and stylish. Tiny islands that don't function. Small islands that barely provide workspace or storage were once popular, but they no longer meet modern needs. Today's kitchens demand islands that serve multiple purposes: prep areas, seating, storage, and even integrated appliances. If your island is too small, it can feel like wasted space and fail to enhance flow or function. Overly matching appliances. Matching appliances in a single color, especially older beige, white, or chrome sets, can make a kitchen feel dated. Modern kitchens embrace contrast or fully integrated appliances that blend seamlessly into cabinetry. This approach creates a cleaner, minimalist aesthetic while keeping your kitchen visually balanced. Clunky cabinet handles. Ornate, oversized, or mismatched handles are a hallmark of older trends. In 2026, handleless or sleek, minimal hardware is preferred. Push-to-open cabinets, hidden handles, and linear pulls create a streamlined, modern look that immediately updates the kitchen without a full renovation. Heavy backsplashes. Backsplashes with busy patterns or dark, glossy tiles are losing popularity. They can dominate a kitchen and clash with other elements. Modern kitchens favor subtle textures, natural stone, or muted tones that complement cabinets and countertops rather than compete with them. Minimalistic backsplashes enhance light, space, and elegance. Overly complex lighting. Chandeliers or multiple mismatched ceiling fixtures may have been trendy, but they can now overwhelm a modern kitchen. Instead, layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent lights, creates depth and functionality. Under-cabinet LEDs, recessed ceiling lights, and subtle pendant fixtures deliver sophistication without visual clutter. Ignoring smart kitchen solutions. Finally, a trend that is quickly becoming outdated is ignoring technology. Traditional kitchens with no smart integration feel less functional today. Smart ovens, touchless faucets, automated lighting, and energy-efficient appliances are now expected in modern renovations. Kitchens that fail to embrace these solutions risk looking old-fashioned and less convenient. Renovate smart, renovate modern. Outdated trends don't just affect style, they impact functionality, light, and the overall feel of your kitchen. By avoiding these 8 trends, homeowners can create kitchens that feel bright, spacious, and modern. Small changes, like sleek handles, layered lighting, or integrated smart appliances, can dramatically elevate your space. In 2026, the best kitchens combine timeless materials, practical design, and subtle technological upgrades, ensuring your space looks fresh, functional, and luxurious for years to come.